What is going on, YouTube? It's your favorite shoe tuber, me and my kicks, coming at you with another detailed review of the Nike Space Hippie Cosmic Unity colorway, man. Coming up. Getting into the details of the shoe comprises of a reconstructed mesh upper, and you can see that's all throughout the upper of this shoe. But as you can see, it's very detailed. Like at the top, from far away, you just think it's gray, but as you can see, you got that orange like layering throughout the shoe right here, and that's a pretty nice touch. Then you got the Nike check right here, and this is made with a little bit of plastic, and it kind of gives you like that iridescent look, which is pretty clean. Up here near the eyelets, it says 1. And on the medial side, it says you got the Nike check. So that's a pretty different touch. If you wanted to lace it all the way up, you could like use it as a lace, but this is mainly for like design. But on the midsole, you got that like baby bluish midsole with like that cement speckle print throughout the shoe. You got an Air Max cutout bubble right here. And then I don't know if you can see that, but like embossed in here, it says Nike Earth Mission. Pretty clean, a nice little nod to the fact that this shoe is made out of recyclable materials. And getting towards the back of the shoe, you got this nice pull tab. I like this like infrared orange color that they added on here. It really makes the shoe pop. But basically it spells out Nike right here, and on the medial side of the shoe is exactly like the lateral side of the shoe. Getting towards your lacing system of the shoe, just your standard Nike Cosmic lacing. As far as the laces go, they give you gray laces with gray tips, but also within the laces, it's like a little bit of rainbow color in there. As you can see, you got the yellow, you got the red, and the green all throughout that. With the laces, is a pretty nice touch. On the top of the tongue, you got this globe right here with Nike right there, and you got this baby blue pull tab, and also you got this nice little design right here in there, like infra orange right there. And on the insole of the shoe, the insole is all gray, and it has Nike with like the globe around it painted in orange. As far as sizing goes with this shoe, I would suggest going a half size up to an entire size up if you have a fat or a wide foot. The Cosmic Unities 1.0s, they aren't really in circulation right now, so if I were you, I would just go up an entire size just to be safe. One thing about this shoe, you think it's like a soft shoe or a shoe that has like a lot of moldability. It does not. This shoe has a pretty hard upper, so, and also it's a little bit narrow as well. So if you have a fat foot, just go up a half size to an entire size up. If you have a normal foot, you can go a half size up. If you have a narrow foot, you can definitely go true to size in these shoes. These shoes retail at $150, and how I came across my pair was when I first seen these shoes, I was somewhat interested in them. Every shoe that I've gotten on the basketball side, or a basketball shoe that we wear everywhere, every basketball shoe that I've gotten, it has been connected to a certain player, whether it be Dame Lillard, James Harden, Derrick Rose, whatever. This is the first shoe that I've bought in a long time, first basketball shoe that is not associated with anybody. Like a lot of players, NBA players, when this came out, they was hooping in this shoe, yeah, no problem, but this shoe wasn't tied to anybody. So, but anyways, when I first seen this shoe, the colorway is what I really like. This kind of remind me of the Nike Air Mag colorway. You got that gray with the hits of blue in there and stuff like that. So that's what really made me like get interested in this shoe. So I knew these was gonna sit because like it's so many shoes coming out at the same time. Shoes gonna sit. Also, this was during, I want to say these shoes came out like a little bit like while the pandemic was going on, so like people was buying shoes up like crazy, like the Jordans and the Nikes and stuff like that, but these, they weren't gonna pay attention to these, so I just waited and I was able to get these on sale. I think I paid like $100 for them. I don't know exactly where I got them. I think I got them at an outlet, or like Nike had them on sale and I got them through Nike, but I got these for around $100. Nothing crazy, but like when I first grabbed this shoe and it came in, I thought to myself, like, this is the first shoe that I've gotten in a long time that is not associated with the NBA player or a player in general. But overall, like, just looking at the shoe, I definitely like the concept of the shoe. They use like recycled materials to make this shoe. So that's pretty nice, giving back to the earth. Or if you're not trying to get something that's very, labor intensive, or something that's, that kind of like, that kind of gives you like a carbon footprint or a green aspect, this shoe is it, because they made this shoe using recycled material. So I like that aspect of it. But you know, just, you know, looking at my entire collection, will I ever wear these? Probably not, man. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and get these to the streets, man. I went on ahead and threw these up on eBay for like 120, ended up selling them. So I'm gonna go ahead and sell these on eBay. So I'm not gonna do an on foot of these. But overall, it's definitely a nicely constructed basketball shoe. Based off the upper alone, I could see somebody, you know, who really hoops playing in these for a good 2 to 3 years, like every day, and it's not messing up on them. Like the upper is very sturdy, very hard. The bottom, it has a nice grip on there. Then the fact that this is made with recycled materials is also another plus. So, you know, shout out to Nike for making a basketball shoe that's not tied to any player or anything like that I really wanted to get, because you rarely see a basketball shoe that's not tied to anyone that I want to get. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching this video today. I really do appreciate it. Smash that like button if you like this video. Also, comment down below if you ever copped a pair of the Cosmic Unities, because now I want to say they're on the 3.0s. Like, they had the 1.0, which is these, then you got the 2.0s, and now I want to say the 3.0s out, and they're all pretty decent, like a nice little hooping shoe. Let me know if you were interested in this shoe at all, or if you copped the Nike Cosmic Unities. Comment that down below and we can chop it up in the comment section. Also, if you aren't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing, man? Hit that subscribe button. It takes nothing but a couple of seconds and you'll be notified when I drop future videos. Just one more 360 of this shoe. And lastly, peace.